Hi everyone, today is December the 31st, 2022. I have decided I have some review videos on craft products that I had already made but I never posted. So what I'm going to try to do is post some of those through the first part of January, and maybe I'll be able to make some more. I don't know. I'm taking it slow, doing what I'm supposed to do. I am not rushing my recovery because I have been warned by others not to rush it and what happens when you do. And, I'm just doing minimal amount right now simply because I really have to stick around here for a while. So, much as that will upset some of you. Anyway, I bought this kit off of Amazon. And first off, I have to say it's just not me. But I'm going to get out of my comfort zone and work with it. You get this journal. And the journal, some of the pages are already, have some decorations on them. And if you'll notice, my left hand is getting better. I still can't hold anything for, like to walk across the room with a cup in my hand or anything. But it is getting better. But I have started working in this, and what I'm going to do is all of this stuff came with it. So you get this little packet here that has these stickers, and then this packet has the stamps in it, and then you get this package of collage papers with it. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is, this didn't come with it, I bought this separate. I am going to make backgrounds on my pages as much as I possibly can, leaving space for journaling. Now you'll see this mark here. Once you get a good look at that. And this one, the purple one. These are the markers I bought. And I got these on Amazon too. I saw them advertised from someone else on Facebook, so I looked on Amazon and they had them, but they're supposed to make these cute little marks right here. Well, I'm doing something wrong, or they don't do it, because mine have not made those marks. They kind of just make a mess. So, I got a Goodwill card, so I put that in here, because this will eventually be one of my creative journals, hopefully. And I got a beautiful Christmas card with some beautiful little girls on it that I can look at and smile. I was going to hang it up, but I didn't want it to get dusty, so I put it in here. And right now, I'm just not able to do housework like I could. So, yeah, I'm going to use it, even though it's not me. I like light and kind of pastel colors, but I'm going to work it. I'm going to do it because I bought it and I'm not going to waste it. But I'm going to attempt to turn this into a creative journal as much as humanly possible for me to use. And it wasn't a bad price on the little kit anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to use as much as possible that came with the kit. Now, I have a bunch of the Dina Wakley art journals here that I had planned to put into bingo prizes that I have never used. So what I'm going to do is take my Happy Paper People subscription boxes, and I'm going to use those to make backgrounds in one of the newer journals I haven't used yet. And then, eventually I'll go back and do some other collaging and some mixed media using the stuff from the kit, because like I said, right now I'm not able to make what it's supposed to be. But for right now, I'm going to keep doing some reviews, and I may do 1 or 2 lives. Curly T gave me a great idea. I told her that we would miss her and Ron if they weren't still selling. And she said maybe she would use him as the commentator. And I thought, well, that would be perfect if I could get Mr. Pete to come on and read the chat while I go live. And then, you know, he can be talking to y'all and typing in the chat to you. Now, whether he'll do it or not, I don't know, but it's a thought that I was thinking of stealing from Curly. So, hey, Curly. Yeah, it was a good idea. But whether I can get him to do it or not, I just don't know. Or whether he would just grind my nerves into a screaming halt, I don't know. But we're going to see. Yeah, I don't know about doing lives right now. I'm not doing bingo right now for the simple reason that it's just too stressful on me. You know, getting all of the packages together and getting them mailed out. I just can't do it right now. So, and two, right now with my medical bills, I can't do the expense of it anymore. Whether y'all believe it or not, it's expensive to do the bingo games. I've had one other person contact me and ask would I mind if she started doing it, and, you know, anybody that wants to do it can do it. You know, it's up to y'all. I really don't mind, because, you know, maybe it has run its course with me, and it's time for someone else to start doing it, because I noticed as soon as I stopped doing it, the subscriptions started dropping, so that kind of upset me and made me feel like, well, you know, they weren't supporting me or my channel, they were here for bingo, so, you know, move on to somebody else that does do it. It's fine by me. There's going to be a lot of changes coming. I have ordered a book that hopefully will be here soon, but it's like 365 questions to inspire you in your art. And I'm hoping to share that with you. I've got another one coming that's over 3,000 prompts to get you motivated, because you know we all hit a slump. And I'm there right now. I mean, you see how much I've done in here. Normally I would have done probably 20 pages in 2 days, but I'm just not motivated right now. You know, the struggle with the hands and all. I'm just doing the best I can daily. I'm still doing physical therapy, as I said, so hopefully I'll get back to it. You know, but the comments about, well, you must be okay, or she must not be so bad because she's not in the hospital. Yeah, that's a personal choice of mine. I'm not going to let this make me angry or bitter or hateful or just pure evil to people. I'm going to continue to try to be myself as much as the pain allows. And when the pain doesn't allow, you won't hear from me. But the fact that I choose not to lay in a hospital and not see a doctor during the holidays, why? I can lay at home. I do have a home health nurse coming in and a physical therapist that comes in now. I don't see any need to milk the insurance for hospitalization when I can be with my loved ones who, you know, the boys can't come to the hospital to see me. So, they're way underage. So I'm just going to, you know, do me and know what's best for me. So, yeah, I don't need any negative comments right now. You know, I appreciate support and encouragement, but the negativity, 2023, there won't be any in my life at all. None. Anybody that wants to be evil, nasty, mean, or just downright hurtful, you know, don't miss me, because you probably won't anyway, but there will be people being cut out of my life for that very reason. You know, if you can't appreciate me, you don't appreciate the things I've done, then I'm sorry, but I don't have any more in me. The tank's empty. So, it is what it is. I have accepted it, and I'm going to move on. I am going to do everything I can to get better. The speech therapy is going very well. even though the entire left side of my lips are still numb, I am forcing myself to do the exercises. And, you know, yeah, the voice is a lot worse because the throat is gone. It's just shot. It burns nonstop. I do see an ENT doctor to determine the mass on my tongue. It's in the back of the tongue on the left side. You know, what is that? What can be done? But I just want to put it out there right now that I've had my run with all the cancer stuff, and, you know, like I said, I'm not getting younger. I am in a very weakened condition right now. I won't go through it now. I can't. It will take me away from here. So, every day I can stay, then I'm going to fight for that day. So, guys, not trying to be a Debbie Downer, not trying to bring you down, not looking for pity at all, as one person has said. I'm just keeping you informed out of respect for your support and me all these years on my channel. My Facebook groups are shut down right now, and I really don't think I'm going to reopen those. I really have found nothing but nastiness and negativity on Facebook, so I'm not sure I'm going to stay with it. I'm thinking about just moving away from Facebook altogether for my own mental health and my own well-being, because, like I said, it's just a cesspool of negativity and hateful people that want to talk trash and, you know, keep stuff going, and I don't want to be in that pot anymore. You know, I've been stirred so much I done flipped off the side of it. So, yeah, it's just, I want to encourage everybody in 2023, put yourself first. You know, if what you do for others is not being returned to you and not reciprocated with a kind word or a thank you or I hope you're feeling better when you're sick, then maybe those people don't appreciate you and don't deserve to be in your life. Maybe you need to focus your energy elsewhere where it is appreciated. So I am strongly urging all of you, do not allow yourself to have strokes, heart attacks, nervous breakdowns, or anything else that a lot of people have had. I'm not going to call any names, but there's a lot of things going on that people don't even know about. And I'm sure there's more that I don't know about. But is it worth it? You have to decide for yourself. I enjoy my YouTube. As a retired teacher, I enjoy teaching. And I'm hoping to one day be able to come back on with more instructional videos rather than just BS stuff like playing games and stuff. Because, like I said, the mailing out prizes is costly. And the postage, the post office just is gone crazy. They're going up every single time you turn around. So, yeah, if you're only here for what you can get, then you might want to rethink it in 2023. Because for everyone that leaves, there'll be people who appreciate that will come back. So, I hope you will all stay. I hope you will all support me. But for those that don't feel they can because they're not getting anything out of it anymore, I understand. I really do. And maybe I'm not the right person for you anymore. So with that said, I'm going to get busy. I am going to practice trying to dust with my left hand today. That's going to be comical. I should record it because I can just see that now. But hey, we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I love you, I respect you, and I do appreciate you. And I would hope to get the same in return. See you soon.